The living room is more than just a place for comfort, it's the soul of your home. By blending natural elements with modern design, you can create a timeless living space that nurtures both body and spirit. Today, let's explore how biophilic design transforms living rooms into serene sanctuaries. Biophilic design is more than an aesthetic trend, it's a philosophy that connects people with nature indoors. Through natural light, organic materials, and greenery, it creates harmony between architecture and the environment. In a living room, this means crafting a space that feels alive, refreshing, and deeply restorative. Sunlight is the foundation of biophilic interiors. Large windows, skylights, or sliding glass doors invite nature inside, illuminating textures and colors naturally. Maximizing daylight reduces dependence on artificial lighting while fostering a healthier, mood-boosting atmosphere in your living room, turning it into a radiant, timeless retreat. Colors shape the soul of a living room. Biophilic design leans on earthy palettes, soft greens, warm beiges, muted browns, and calming blues. These hues echo nature's own tones, ensuring your space feels balanced and grounded while creating an aesthetic that never goes out of style. Adding plants is the simplest and most effective way to infuse life into your living room. From towering fiddle leaf figs to cascading pothos, greenery adds movement and freshness. Beyond beauty, indoor plants purify the air and establish a quiet bond with nature, making your space healthier. Materials tell stories. Wood adds warmth, stone brings grounding, and bamboo offers lightness. By combining these, you create layers of texture that celebrate nature's craftsmanship. Furniture, flooring, or decorative accents in natural finishes help establish an organic flow that strengthens the room's connection to the outdoors. Unlike sharp, rigid lines, nature flows with curves and asymmetry. Incorporating organic shapes, whether in coffee tables, seating, or decor, softens the living room's overall look. These subtle cues mimic the natural environment, making the space feel more approachable, soothing, and timeless. The sound of water has always been linked to relaxation. Small indoor fountains or aquariums add a tranquil, meditative quality to your living room. These elements engage multiple senses, sight, sound, and sometimes touch, transforming your home into a rejuvenating escape from the fast pace of modern life. If your living room opens to a garden, balcony, or landscape, celebrate it. Position seating toward the view, use sheer curtains for light diffusion, and frame the outdoors like living art. This seamless transition between inside and outside is a hallmark of biophilic elegance and timeless beauty. Fabrics matter. Choose upholstery, rugs, or curtains with textures reminiscent of nature. Linen, cotton, jute, or wool. Even subtle patterns inspired by leaves, waves, or stones can enhance the biophilic narrative. The result? A tactile experience that invites you to relax and feel grounded. Simplicity and biophilic design complement each other beautifully. A clutter-free living room allows natural elements to shine. By reducing excess and choosing fewer, meaningful pieces, you create balance. Minimalism also enhances light, airflow, and tranquility, ensuring your living room feels timeless rather than trend-driven. Fire represents warmth, light, and community. A fireplace, whether wood-burning, gas, or even an eco-friendly bioethanol unit, anchors a living room with both beauty and function. Surround it with natural stone or wood for added authenticity. This elemental connection completes the cycle of earth, water, air, and fire. Artwork has the power to elevate a biophilic living room. Landscape paintings, botanical prints, or even photography of serene natural settings keep nature alive on your walls. This not only adds visual interest but also deepens the narrative of your home's connection to the natural world. Biophilic design isn't just about beauty, it's about health. Plants, natural ventilation, and eco-friendly materials improve indoor air quality. By avoiding toxins and synthetic finishes, your living room becomes a wellness space where relaxation comes effortlessly, ensuring your family thrives in a healthier environment. While daylight is key, layered artificial lighting ensures your living room remains inviting after sunset. Warm-toned LEDs, floor lamps, and concealed lighting highlight natural textures beautifully. With dimmers, you can control the mood, maintaining a cozy, nature-inspired atmosphere that transitions seamlessly from day to night. Furniture selection shapes both function and feel. Opt for handcrafted pieces made of wood, stone, or rattan. These materials offer timeless durability while enhancing the biophilic narrative. Curved edges, woven textures, and organic silhouettes make furniture both comfortable and evocative of the natural world. For a dramatic touch, consider vertical gardens. A living wall acts as both artwork and ecosystem, purifying air while creating a breathtaking focal point. Even a smaller arrangement of wall-mounted planters can provide this effect, turning your living room into a lush, thriving retreat. Sound matters in creating a biophilic living room. Incorporating natural soundscapes, like gentle water trickling, soft wind chimes, or music inspired by nature, enhances relaxation. Soft textiles and wood finishes also improve acoustics, reducing harsh echoes and creating a cocoon of calm within your living room. A biophilic living room adapts with the seasons. Light linens for summer, warm wool throws for winter, and seasonal plants keep your space alive year-round. This flexibility not only refreshes the room's appearance but also strengthens your connection to the natural cycles of life. Biophilic design should reflect you. Collect shells, stones, driftwood, or dried flowers from meaningful places and integrate them into your living room decor. These personal natural treasures bring authenticity and emotional depth, making your space unique, intimate, and more deeply connected to nature. Modern living rooms often include technology, but in a biophilic space, balance is key. Conceal screens when not in use, use wood or fabric covers, and prioritize natural focal points. This ensures technology serves you without overpowering the calming, timeless atmosphere of your living room. Sustainability and biophilia go hand in hand. Choose eco-friendly furniture, energy-efficient lighting, and locally sourced materials. By making conscious choices, you not only honor nature but also ensure your living room design stands the test of time, reflecting both responsibility and refined taste. A living room is for people, not just design. Arrange seating in ways that foster conversation and connection. Use circular or semicircular layouts, allowing the flow of dialogue to feel as natural as the space itself. Biophilic design encourages both human and nature-based connection. Even compact living rooms can embrace biophilic principles. Choose multipurpose furniture, vertical greenery, and light-reflecting surfaces to maximize space. With thoughtful design, any living room, large or small, can become a sanctuary that celebrates the timeless beauty of home and nature in harmony. Biophilic design is not a fleeting trend, it's a timeless approach to living. By weaving nature into your living room, you create more than just a stylish space. You craft a sanctuary that nourishes well-being, beauty, and harmony for generations to come. Home and nature, perfectly united.